Hi, I'm Charlie LaRich. I'm the supervisor of the welding school here at the Welding Technology and Training Center in Cleveland, Ohio. Why don't we go out here and check and see what's going out in the lab.
What's up, guys? My name is Austin Kardules. I'm here to take the basic motorsports welding class that I won from the Drag Illustrated 30 Under 30 that Lincoln Electric gave away. So we're here day one. I was really excited about this class. Sometimes when you have high expectations, it's hard to meet that. But walking into this facility was incredible. I knew it was in a training facility. I did not expect it to be this massive. The attention to detail outside and inside of the facility is incredible. From the moment you walk in to even in the facility where the welding happens, the cleanliness, the organization, everything is so top tier. You know when you're coming in here, you're learning from the best with the best products. It doesn't get any better than this. Mike knew that I was pretty green in welding and took some extra time to make sure I felt comfortable, understood what I was doing once we got started. Today we did mild steel TIG welding. We spent a few hours in the classroom, then came out here and practiced welding. In this class, being a motorsports materials class, there's all different types of skill levels, me being green, and there's even a welding instructor in this class that teaches high school students. So Mike makes sure to spend time with each person, no matter their skill level, to make sure that their time's being used efficiently. And he made it very easy and accessible for me to jump right in and kind of feel like I knew what I was doing off the start. So in addition to the week of welding classes here, I also won Power MIG 220 welder, Lincoln Electric gear ready pack. So I got all the gear I needed. I'm incredibly grateful for this experience and look forward to see where this takes me after this.